Hello guys, today I'll show you how to eat with chopsticks. Firstly, grab the following: a pair of clean chopsticks and practice food. Hold one chopstick into your dominant hand and let it rest on your ring finger. Wrap your middle finger around it for support and place your thumb on the side to stabilize it. Use your non-dominant hand to place the second chopstick between your thumb and index finger and hold it like a pencil. This chopstick should be movable. Keep the bottom chopstick still. This is your base, and use the index finger to push down on the top chopstick to bring it closer to the bottom one. Relax your index finger to open the chopsticks back up. Place your chopsticks around the piece of food and slowly bring the top chopstick down while keeping the bottom one still. Grip the food firmly, not too hard or it might slip. And once you have hold, lift the food gently. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.